Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to remove your iPhone unavailable problem. Guys, if you have forgotten your phone password and your phone is stuck on iPhone unavailable by repeatedly entering wrong password, then don't worry, I will tell you how to solve this problem. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos to get notified for upcoming videos. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, to fix this problem, you have to need an other phone. It can be iPhone or Android phone. In my case, I'm using my second Android phone. You have to open your phone browser and simply type iCloud.com. Click on iCloud. It will show something like that. Click on sign in. Guys, please make sure that you have signed in with the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone which has been stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I am signing with the same Apple ID that was signed on with this phone. So here is the list of devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. So click on your device, click on erase iPhone, click on continue, enter the Apple ID password here to erase iPhone. It will ask for a two-factor authentication. Put your verification code. So guys, it is optional. You do not have put anything here. You just click on next, click on done. It is started. Wait for a few seconds until your erasing being start. So here we are, your phone has started erasing. Now simply remove from this account. It will help you while set up this phone. Enter the Apple ID password here. So we have removed from this account. So there is no further need of this phone. Wait for a few seconds until your erase completed. Here we are. Our phone has completely erased, completely restored. Now let me set up this phone. Select your language, select your country or region. Connect your phone with a Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Guys, I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. Now your phone has been completely erased. It has been unlocked. It is able to use your phone. It is not stuck on iPhone unavailable now. Now you can use it smoothly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you for watching this video.